Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading here. Hope everyone is enjoying their summer. So we came on here this morning and there's a lot of momentum in the market. There was over 4 stocks over 100%, which is a great sign for momentum. Now, I didn't originally like the first few stocks that I saw this morning, and they were over 100%. There was a few things I didn't like about them, and the float was too high for me. They were penny stocks, meaning that they were trading under $1. I don't typically like to trade those stocks. So I kind of just sat and I waited for something to pop up. What popped up was this KZIA, and this is what I traded this morning. So it came out with news. I liked the float that it had, and it was showing a lot of momentum. So the news that this company had, this had to do with cancer treatment and a phase 1 study that the company had. So it had its catalyst. I liked the float. I liked the way that it was moving. We were over VWAP at the time, and this stock ended up going to the top of the gap scan. At this time, over 100%. And I took my trade here on the pullback on this candle here, got in at a good price, and then sold on the very next candle. So you're looking at about 1 minute and 30 seconds here worth of a trade. Now, I did miss the full move, but you're never going to get the entire move. This was a nice trade, waited for the pullback, that 1 minute pullback, and then took it off on the next candle for $138 of profit in a very, very quick amount of time. Now, this was the only stock that I traded, and now EVOK, this was the main stock. So you're always going to see these different stocks during different times. You just have to be patient and wait for your stock. All right. The market's very hot. There's a lot of opportunities. And EVOK, also another company that has a catalyst. It has news here. That's always good to see. The float is low and the move has been really, really nice. So I'm sure a lot of traders that may have not gotten in on KZIA earlier this morning, maybe missed that move. Now at 8:40, you had this really nice move here. On the 5-minute chart, a bunch of 5-minute candles here to the green side. I would expect a pullback and then maybe some more moves going into the open with that. Or maybe something else pops up. But usually you'll know that the moves you see in the pre-market are the main stocks to trade, and then you just have to wait. Once the market opens, you can see what you want to do. But I like trading in the pre-market. That seems to be where a lot of the big moves are. It's just a matter of being around, being home to be trading stuff like that if you're not trading full time. So I happened to be home this morning, took advantage of this move. Like I said, KZIA, in and out really quickly for $138 of profit. So I guess the key takeaway here is wait for your stock. If I would have jumped in to some of these other penny stocks right when I signed on, I would not have made any money. Waited patiently for what I like, because I don't like really high float stocks to trade. So I wait for those low float. Anything under 5 million shares is usually pretty good. Anything over 10 million, I kind of just like to wait and see if something else comes around. And that's what we did. Exercised patience and made a profit. All right, hit the thumbs up for the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, guys.